In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make variant component in Figma. Start by opening your design and navigating to the element you want to turn into a component. This could be a button, a tag, a card, anything you repeat often. Select that element, then click the Create Component button. The diamond icon in the top toolbar. Figma will convert it into a component, which gives you a reusable, single source of truth. You'll see a diamond badge and the layer name updated to indicate it's now a component. Next, add a variant so you can keep related versions together. With the component selected, click the plus, Add Variant button that appears at the top of the canvas. Figma will place your original component and the new one inside a shared container called a component set. This set groups variants side by side, making it easy to manage them as one family. Now, configure the properties that define how your variants differ. Select the overall component set, not an individual variant. In the Properties panel, add a property like type and set its values to primary and secondary. Add another property called state and set values like default and hover. These properties become the controls you'll use later to swap versions in an instance, so keep the names short, clear, and consistent. Think of them as filters you can apply to any instance of the component. With the properties in place, customize each variant's appearance to match its role. Click into the primary, default variant and set its styling, for example, a solid background and clear label. Then select the primary, hover variant and adjust the background color or elevation to show feedback. Move to the secondary variants and refine their look, maybe a lighter fill or a bordered style, and keep differences intentional and easy to spot. If you are adding icons, make sure alignment, padding, and sizing remain consistent across all variants. Keeping the structure the same prevents visual jumps when switching between properties. As you build, check that every variant communicates clearly and maintains accessibility, especially for contrast and hover cues. When you later place an instance on a frame, these properties appear as easy drop-downs, letting you toggle type and state without detaching or duplicating anything. That's it. Thanks for watching.